Hello everyone, today I am excited to talk about GlucoBerry, a dietary supplement that has become a popular choice for many people who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. GlucoBerry is a unique product that combines the power of natural ingredients to help boost your metabolism and reduce your sweet tooth. The main active ingredient in GlucoBerry is acai berry, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Acai berry has been shown to improve heart health, increase energy levels, and even aid in weight loss. In addition to acai berry, GlucoBerry also contains other beneficial ingredients such as raspberry ketones, green tea extract, and guarana. One of the reasons GlucoBerry has become so popular is its ease of use. You can take GlucoBerry as a dietary supplement in the morning or before meals to suppress hunger and promote weight loss. It is important to remember that while GlucoBerry can help you feel fuller for longer, it is not a weight loss supplement and should not be used as such. GlucoBerry is also free of artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and additives, making it a safe and natural option for those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. With a combination of natural ingredients, GlucoBerry offers a great way to support your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. In conclusion, GlucoBerry is a fantastic dietary supplement that can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce your cravings for sugary foods. The combination of natural ingredients makes it a safe and natural choice for those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. Try GlucoBerry and experience the benefits for yourself.